Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, you see still the sunburn. I was not directly under the sun yesterday. I was inside the tent, but still I got this sunburn. I can feel it. It's painful. You know, when you touch it, it's really painful. I am cooking my meal. It's basically a water and yeah, rice. And I'm going to put this miso soup. We are going to put some of these noodles again, just this much. Have this, some vegetable. This. Oh, and I got this some egg from yesterday when we went for the beach as surfing yesterday with Kurt and Inigo. Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, it's almost 4:15. I am preparing my a meal. This is going to be a sinigang with seafoods, and I have salmon. Nice. Yeah, this is your first time seeing me cooking something like this. Fried salmon. Oh, very crispy skin. And this is what I ate last night. It's already spoiled, I can smell it. Yo, good morning, guys. Yeah, this is how it is today. The sky is cloudy, and as you can see the water reflecting the color of the sky. Yeah, color like a clouds. It looks like it is going to rain for the rest of the week. Yeah, I checked last night and there was a sign of rain, but I'm not sure. Yeah, and yeah, I'm going to work now. My duty today is at 12 o'clock. It was around 11:30 when I left the house, so I still have maybe 25 minutes. Today is actually my last day at work. I'm planning to go to Tasmania to do some bike travel. Yeah, I'm not sure yet because there are so many plans along the way. Oh, they are picnic. Nice. This morning I went to withdraw some money from the grocery. Yeah, I just bought 1 kilo of rice, and then using the cash register I withdraw $1,000 to pay for my house rent for the coming 4 weeks that I am not here in the house. Yeah, I need to pay for the house rent even if I'm not here. Yeah, so yeah, and before leaving the house today I already paid it to my landlord. Aside from being cloudy, it's also very quiet, not so windy. As you can see, the water looks really plain. Good morning, guys. Almost 9 o'clock. I forgot to switch this off. Yeah, I'm doing my laundry and I'm going to clean this. I will sweep the floor, organize things. I just cleaned this, so it's very clean now. And at the moment I am cleaning this, using this wire scrubber something. When I was working in Dubai, the chef, they don't like to use this one because sometimes there are some small pieces of this that is hiding somewhere in the utensils or in the pot or in the pan, in the plate, and it become cause of the complaint. Yeah. Not good. Yeah, but this one is really effective in removing dirt and the things like this that stays there for a long time. Yeah, it's really effective. If you put soap in that, it will magically remove dirt. Look at that. Oh, this is my leftover sinigang, seafood, and I have rice. So yeah, I'm cleaning the place because I will be not here. I'm going to throw these corn flakes. Also this wheat bix that was here for long time ago. I don't know how much more. Oh yeah, there are some more, maybe 10 pieces more of wheat bix. Yeah. And I know in here there are so many garbage. Yeah, these are garbage. Garbage. There's one more. Garbage. All the snacks, I put it there. Oh, also this. I'm going to throw this. This creatine before, because I was working out before. I always go to the gym before. Not anymore. I also have this Blackmore cod liver oil. I will throw that. Oh, I have one more premium original. I keep that there. Before we continue on cleaning, we're going to eat first. Yeah, look at this. These are the tutong. Yeah, the dry one. That is what I'm going to eat. This is going to be my... Yeah, so I don't waste anything. I always eat like this. I finish everything. Yo, good afternoon guys. I don't know, maybe the time, I forgot. It's already 1:21. We are going to Sydney. I still have around 30 minutes for the bus to arrive, so we were just going to have a cappuccino, a coffee, and a croissant.